Hello, welcome to YogaBugs. I'm Lisa, your virtual teacher, and today, as it's nearly Christmas, we're going to be doing a Christmas-themed stretch routine. Make sure you have plenty of space around you. I'm going to stand at the top of my mat. Bring your feet together, your shoulders down, and take a nice deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Reach your arms up and say hello, stars. Now fold it forwards. Hello, snow. Bend your knees and step back as the elves are on their marks and the other foot back and the reindeer are ready to go. Bend your knees down as Santa's cat says hello and gets scared by the reindeer. And Party Cat comes out to play. But listen, can you hear? Come down onto your belly as I think that Santa is near. Have a look around to see him, but be quiet as a mouse. That could be Santa now, on the roof of our house, lifting all the way back up. Step your foot forward to see Santa from afar. Bring your feet together. Hello, snow. Hello, star. Well done. We're going to do that one more time on the other side. Take a deep breath in and out. Reach your arms up. Hello, star. Fold forward. Hello, snow. Bend your knees and step your foot back as the elves are on their marks. And the reindeer are ready to go. Bend your knees down as Santa's cat says hello and gets scared by the reindeer. Party Cat comes out to play. But listen, can you hear? Come down onto your belly as I think that Santa's near. Reach up, can you see him? But be quiet as a mouse. That could be Santa now, on the roof of our house, lifting all the way back up. Step your foot forward to see Santa from afar. Both feet together. Hello, snow. Reach up. Hello, star. Well done, everybody.